Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure TikTok is current and has permission to access your photos. Without that, uploads fail. Once done, open the iOS Photos app and find the live photo you want to use. Convert it to a standard MOV/MP4 by tapping Share and choosing Save as Video or Run a Shortcuts conversion. TikTok prefers a video file. This first step fixes the common incompatibility and gets the file into the correct format for reliable. Once you have a video file, prepare it for TikTok by editing orientation and length. Crop to a vertical 16:9 ratio converted to 9:16, trim the clip to the desired start and end times, and pick a clean keyframe. Make sure resolution and bitrate aren't excessively high. Under 1080p reduces upload errors. After exporting the finalized MOV or MP4, open TikTok, hit the plus sign, choose Upload, and select that converted file to continue. You're at the finish line. Add audio, captions, and a cover frame, then choose privacy and post settings before you publish. Make sure captions and stickers don't obscure the subject. If TikTok rejects the file or it looks glitchy, clear the app cache and try uploading again. Alternatively, re-export the video at a lower bitrate or different codec. If issues persist, reinstall TikTok or use a trusted third-party converter. Those steps resolve the rare stubborn incompatibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.